Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mockup app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Mockup is a design app built to help users create professional-grade product mockups quickly and easily. Whether you're showcasing your app UI, website design, or branding materials, Mockup allows you to drag and drop your designs onto real device frames, packaging, or 3D models to visualize how they'll appear in the real world. It's especially popular among marketers, designers, and content creators for producing presentation-ready visuals. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is user-friendly and supports high-resolution exports, which is great for both digital and print use. Users love the wide variety of templates available, from smartphones and laptops to t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Mockup's intuitive interface makes it easy even for beginners to get professional-looking results without needing Photoshop or advanced tools. However, it's not without flaws. Some users feel the free version is quite limited, with only a handful of templates and watermarked exports. While the premium version unlocks a large template library, the cost may not be justifiable for occasional users. Also, the app doesn't offer much customization in terms of lighting or shadow adjustments, which might be a downside for advanced design needs. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Mockup is a handy tool for quickly creating realistic product visuals without diving deep into complex design software. It's a time saver for quick presentations and marketing materials, but advanced users might find it lacking in flexibility and detail control. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.